So in this video, I'm going to show you how to play Monopoly Go on Bluestacks. It's super easy. So first, if you haven't already, download and install Bluestacks from their official website. Once it's set up, open Bluestacks and sign in with your Google. Once it's set up, open Bluestacks and sign in with your Google account to access the Google Play Store. Next, go to the Google Play Store within Bluestacks and search for Monopoly Go. Once you find the game, click Install. It'll take a few moments to download. After the installation, launch the game from your Bluestacks home screen. The controls are user-friendly, so you can navigate using your mouse or keyboard. Once you're in, you'll see a familiar Monopoly gameplay. You can roll the dice, buy properties, and trade with friends. Use the mouse to click and drag to move around the board. It's just like the classic game. And that's it. You're all set to play Monopoly Go on Bluestacks.